What's stronger than steel? What can lift mountains or stop a rocket? Today, we're testing the world's toughest stuff, from spider silk to space metal. Get ready for a strength showdown. When we say something is strong, we're talking about how much force it can take before breaking. That's called tensile strength. For example, paper rips easily. Wood is stronger. Steel is super strong. But diamond and graphene are next level. Nature's strongest material isn't rock or metal. It's spider silk. It's 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness. And if you made a rope as thick as your finger, it could stop a jet mid-air. Scientists even study spider silk to make stronger ropes, vests, and parachutes. Now let's talk about metals. The strongest metal in the world is tungsten. It's so tough it can survive temperatures over 3,400 degrees Celsius. It's used in rocket engines, light bulbs, and even in armor. If you dropped a chunk of tungsten on your toe, you'd really know it. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Nothing can scratch them except another diamond. But scientists discovered something even stronger: graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms arranged like a honeycomb. It's so thin you can't see it, but it's 200 times stronger than steel. That's like holding up an elephant on a single pencil tip. You can test strength at home, safely. Try hanging small weights from different materials like paper, wood, or plastic. Which bends? Which breaks first? That's how scientists test materials too, just with bigger machines. Always ask an adult before testing. Safety first, scientists. Fun facts. The world's strongest natural fiber? Limpet teeth, tiny sea snails. They can scrape rock without breaking. A block of steel the size of a smartphone can hold a car if made perfectly pure. And frozen water, ice, can crush rock when it expands. Nature and science both build incredible strength in amazing ways. So next time you pick up a rock or pull a rubber band, remember, strength comes in all shapes and sizes. Keep testing, keep exploring, and stay strong with science.